Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about the how we are displayed by the input field and button, and we align to the both side by side and align to the center. So how we are going to utilize to the Salesforce Lightning layout and layout item to we have to align to the side by side and displayed by the center. We discussed in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to discuss about to the how we are going to capture by the user entered details. So here for example, user enter by the detail this one. So we have to capture by the either phone number or email they are entering the here. That is we need to capture. So how we are going to capture that is. So here they are giving to the input now. So once they can give it to the user enter the value, we can give it by the on change. In this on change, we can use by the handle change method. So save. Let's come to the JS. So in this JS, we have to taken by the method handle change. So in this handle change, we have to capture by the details what they are entering. So that's why here event. So here we have to take it by the one property. So here we have to take it by the property name is the input value. What they are going to give it now, that value we are going to use it by the here input value. I'm taking the here. So input value equals to. So here we have to take it to the event to dot target to dot value. So what they are enter the value, that is we are going to store by the into our input value. Our input value. Okay. So let's save this. So after that, so here we have to the pass it to the this to the our Apex class. Based on this, we have to get it by the customer information, right? So come to the here sales customers object. So this is the one of the record. So we need to fetch it by the, this information. What is by the customer name, email, and phone numbers. We have to fetch it from the database. So how we are going to that is, so first I have created by the one Apex class. So here fetch customer details. So here we have to the fetch the customer details. So here we have to save this, and here we have to write by the aura enabled get customer data. So here we are passing to the string either email or phone number we are passing. Both here we are going to take it by the string. Yes. So here we have to take it by the email or phone. Yes, email or phone. This is string. We have to take it. And here come to the object API name. We have the requests. Let's come to the here edit object. So this is the object name. So SC equals to select ID from customer. So we require to the fields, right? Name, and as well as to the we have to the email and phone. Name, email, and I think so primary phone. This is the primary phone. So we have the queried, and which customer information we need to retrieve. They are entered either email or phone, right? So email underscore C Yes, email, phone, or so phone, primary phone. Yes, email or phone. Now let's return to the what we have queried the record from the database now. So let's query return that is. So here return SC. So here we have to see the here save. Let's deploy this one. Okay, so we have the retrieved the customer data based on the user enter the either email or phone number based. Okay, so let's getting the here. So save. Let's deploy this. So successfully deployed this one. Let's come to the this method. We are calling into the our JS file. Come to the here. Import get customer data. So this is right our method name customer data. We have the another method also there in the different class. So that's why here get customer data. This is the our class name. Fetch customer details and customer data. This is the here. So after click onto the submit button, right, we need to get it. So here in the submit button, we have to take it by the on click handle submit. So save. Let's come to the here handle submit. So here get customer data here. So here yes email or this one input values save. So it is returned to the result. So that's why here we have to hold it by the result. Then so catch. If it is written any error, we have to holding by the error block. Okay. So Apex class is the written by the details, right? Apex class is written by the sales customer details. So that's why here we have to holding purpose. We have to take it by the sales customer result. Okay. So here we have to take it to the sales customer result equals to result. Okay. So save this. This dot sales customer result equals to result. Okay, so this is the we have defined the here. Now let's display this information into the in the UI what we have the fetching, right? So here I'm taking by the separate lightning card title equals to customer details. So here we have to display by the customer information. So let's take to the here we have to the customer name. So here we define by the variable name is the sales customer result. So sales customer result to dot name break and so we have the email. So API name of the email is the this one and next is the phone. So here we have the primary phone, right? So we have to fetch it by the API name to the here. So here API name is the dot this So we have to save this. So we have to remove these things. So save. So here also we can give it with instead of the phone. So primary phone. So save. Let's deploy whole bundle. So it is deployed successfully. Now come to the here. We have the preview the page. So come to the here, refresh the page. So on loading, actually it is display the data, right? That's why it's throwing an error. So we have to await to this when we have the customer data only, then we have to display it. So here we have to take it by the template. If is true, so we have the sales customer result, we have the data, then only we need to display it by the this section. Until we no need to display right this block. So this is the separate lightning card. Okay, customer details information. This is the we have to display the customer details section. This is okay. So let's deploy this one. It's deployed. So refresh by the page. So now we have to give it to the data. So I'm giving by the phone number. So here click on submit. So let's see, once we have the data on, it is appear by this section. Until this section will not be the appear. So we have to align to the this one also, customer name, email and phone number also. If you want, we can align. And also we have to display by the button as well. So see here, this button also we need to here, we have to give it. So how we are going to give it, that is, so before going to that implementation, up to now, is it clear how we are going to get the data from the database based on the they are giving to the input value, either email or phone number. First, we are capturing by the input value, that is we are passing to the our Apex class. Then Apex class is the query to that is either email or phone number, anyone it is matched. That record queried and returned to the our JS. In the JS, we have to store by the result into the in the customer sales customer result to property. That properties we have to display by the in the UI. So this is we have the implemented up to now. So let's see in the next section how we are going to align to this one and how we are going to display by the sales order button, orders button, how we are going to implement. We can check it into next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.